Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change DNS server on iPhone. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your iPhone settings, here it is, then you will see this interface, you need to scroll down a little bit and then find Wi-Fi option right up here. Then you'll see different options, Wi-Fi and other Wi-Fi you can connect it to. So all you need to do is to connect to some Wi-Fi and then click on the info button next to the connected Wi-Fi. Here it is. Then you will see this interface, you'll see information of your Wi-Fi, password, private Wi-Fi address and other information. So you need to scroll down a little bit and find configure DNS, here it is. Then you will see two options, automatic and manual. You need to click on the second one, manual, and then under DNS servers click on the add server button right up here, and then you need to enter your DNS server, for example this one, and then at the top right corner click on the save button. So and after that your new DNS server will be saved. So and that's all, and that's how to change DNS server on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.